Last week we told you exactly what gold is going to do, and this week price delivered perfectly. We nailed the rejection at the intraday fair value gap and the push higher into weekly fair value gap, but geopolitics tried to mess everything up. In today's weekly recap, I'm breaking down what happened on gold, the real impact of Trump Iran ceasefire, plus my high probability setup on NASDAQ, ES, Dow Jones, and much more. Let's dive in. Gold recap. What we got right. Remember, previous week we were looking at this 30th of March fair value gap and 1st of April fair value gap, and we saw exactly how this 2nd of April price sweep into this, and with that rejection we anticipated that the next buster will be this recent high, and that is exactly what market did. You see, we have on Monday we had this inside, but then on Tuesday we had this push higher. Then the next day, which was the Iran and Trump did price completed the cycle. So what do we expect this coming week now? On this coming week, we had this fair value gap that happened on 9th of March 2026 and 23rd of March 2026. As you can see, the price actually rejected the 50% of that fair value gap, and you see, once price is rejecting that signify weakness. So the only way we'll be interested in this is this on daily time frame. We expect a structural push high. Then we will use this the 50% of it as a support to push price high. The first target will be 5020, while the next target will be 5312. On the downside of it, if price come back, break this structure, this April 2nd structure, if price close below it and give us a structure like a bearish sign to move lower, so we will be expecting this 4381 to be taken out. What went wrong? Plus geopolitics. Like you can recall correctly that on DXY on weekly time frame we are expecting this 3-month fair value gap 0.7 to be taken out. That was our expectation on weekly time frame. But you know, once we have a serious issue like this very strong issue, Trump had already set a deadline for Iran to make a deal. At the end, they reached 2 weeks ceasefire, and the news created immediate bearishness on DXY and bullishness on gold and other assets. So that is why you have to follow all these special events, ceasefire measures, announcement, and all this deadline and all of that. So you might have a very perfect analysis, but when all these geopolitical hits, man, price can override everything, and that is part of the game. And moving forward on on DXY, like we see, I don't think I will be touching this. The only way I will touch this, I will want to use this 28th of October 2025 high and 3rd of November 2025 low, fair value gap, to use it as a support to push a price lower. But that, I believe that will take some days before price can get to that level before pushing lower. So for now, I will still leave this DXY. Nothing much interesting, not interesting. Then on Euro USD, same as a DXY, I will be interested if we can use this as a support, and on a daily time frame we see some reason to go higher. But for now on this, I will be watching it closely. Then yes, like I said, I will be watching it closely on a weekly time frame. Then daily time frame, same thing. We can see some structure shift, some sign of come back a little bit, so show us some some sign of bullishness. Then we push higher. Then pounds USD, same as Euro USD. I don't see anything super interesting on a daily time frame, and on a weekly time frame is still bullish, but we need some confirmation, probably 1 or 2 days, that we handle that. Then we go to NASDAQ. Previous week we had this two side of market, and which we were unable to predict, and we made a sample. Until we close above this, we want price to push high, but Iran and the Trump deadline and all those geopolitical politics and mess everything up, and that is part of the game. And mind you, we go to 3 months time frame, and you can see we are still yet to reach 3 months rejection candle here. So this is the first target on a 3 months chart, and the next target will be all-time high. Then we head to weekly time frame. So weekly time frame, you see we are already bullish on weekly time frame, and since 3 months we are bullish on 3 months, and weekly we are bullish. Then on daily, what do we expect on daily time frame? Now on daily time frame, to me, what I will expect price to come back to this fair value gap here, tap into this fair value gap, and use that push higher, and tap into this first target 25,434, and the last target will be making a all-time high. Then we go to ES S&P 500, same story. I will be expecting price to come down to this fair value gap that formed on 7th of April and 9th of April. So I expect a price to come in here, tap into, give us some sign for bullish to move high, and tap this 6893 first target, and the last target is all-time high. Dow Jones is actually same thing. We're expecting on index moving high. So Dow Jones on a 3 months, we actually tap into this rejection candle already on a 3 months, and we are yet to, we're expecting to make a all-time 50,590. That is the last all-time high. Then on weekly time frame, what do we have? We have this strong bullish move, and we rejected this 3 months rejection candle, and on daily time frame, yes, we expect a little come down to this fair value gap that form on 7th of April and 9th of April. give us some sign, we push higher. Then overall this week, my cleanest setup will be shaping up on US indices, yes, NASDAQ, YM, especially if we see a proper reaction on those fair value gap. Gold remains strong, but I will need to see some time of probably some few days things or thereabout price to see some clean structure on a daily time frame on gold before you know. And pounds and the euro, I'm still leaning towards bullish with patience required. And remember, technical are powerful, but always combine the awareness of all these geopolitics and major events. Stay nimble, bro. Trade with discipline. If you enjoyed this week recap, drop a like, leave a comment with your biggest takeaway or your bias on euro or gold, and subscribe with notification for more all this SMT and ICT breakdown every week. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Trade safe, guys.